the story unfolds in one of London's finest hospitals. Two doctors, Emily and James, both outstanding specialists, met while working on a complicated medical case. Emily, a talented surgeon, was renowned for her precision and calmness in the operating room, while James, a therapist specializing in rare and complex diseases, was known for his deep understanding of medicine. Their first meeting occurred during a challenging surgery. James had sought Emily's consultation for one of his patients. Working together, they grew to admire each other's professionalism more and more with each passing day. Initially, their relationship remained strictly professional, and neither of them considered anything beyond work. Both were fully immersed in their careers. Over time, long shifts together, exchanging medical theories, and tackling cases that demanded teamwork brought them closer. Emily noticed how confidently James could find solutions in the most difficult situations, while James admired Emily's skillful handling of the scalpel as she saved lives. Their friendship began to blossom into something more. However, neither Emily nor James wanted to admit that a romantic connection was forming between them. They were both career-driven, and it seemed that a relationship would only interfere with their ambitions. But at some point, James realized he could no longer ignore his feelings, and he decided to confess to Emily. Though surprised, she admitted that she had long felt the same way. They began dating, but their happiness was short-lived. A new patient arrived at the hospital with an extremely rare and dangerous disease. James, being a specialist in this field, took on the case. He was confident he could find a cure. However, the disease was more cunning than expected. Soon, James began to notice that the patient's symptoms were appearing in him as well. Emily was devastated when she learned this. She did everything in her power to help James, but the disease progressed too quickly. Despite the doctor's best efforts, James's health deteriorated. Their love had blossomed under difficult circumstances, but fate had other plans. In his final days, James told Emily that she had changed his life, and their brief time of happiness had been the most important thing that had ever happened to him. Emily remained at the hospital, dedicating her work to new research in James's memory, hoping one day to find a cure for the disease that had taken him away. Though the end was tragic, their love remained forever in Emily's heart, inspiring her to continue her medical breakthroughs.